Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sit tight, the stream will start soon. Enjoy some music.
Don't let it harden. to call you for. So you see, I'm a better friend. All your flaws, I will mend. We will be together, together. Come to the point, I apologize. You know I feel alright. Stay
time the channel is called Purple Waves Music. Thank you for the providing free, copyright-free music. Let's dive straight into some knowledge. So let's update ourselves. Let's see. Number one, default mode network. What is that? Oh, in neuroscience, the default mode network, also known as a default network, default state network, or anatomically the medial frontoparietal network, is a large-scale brain network primarily composed of the medial prefrontal cortex, posterior cingulate cortex precuneus, and angular gyrus. What are these? Oh, I think those are parts of the brain. Yes. Yes. It is best known for being active when a person is not focused on the outside world and the brain is at wakeful rest, such as during daydreaming and mind wandering. It can also be active during detailed thoughts related to external task performance. Other times that the DMN is active include when the individual is thinking about others, thinking about themselves, remembering the past, and planning for the future. That's interesting. It was originally noticed to be deactivating certain goal-oriented tasks and was sometimes referred to as the task negative network. Evidence has pointed to disruptions in the default mode network of people with Alzheimer's disease and autism spectrum disorder. Interesting. Didn't know about this. Didn't know that this was a... Okay, so this parts of the brain is a brain network. So different parts of the brain together, composed of these ones. Wow. And is active only when, the activities that we read here. Very cool. What's the clinical significance? And it plays a major role in these very serious diseases. Wow. The default mode network may be modulated by the following interventions and processes. Acupuncture. The activation of the limbic brain areas of the default mode network. It has been suggested that this is due to the pain response. Meditation. Structural changes in areas of the default mode network, such as the tempoparietal junction, posterior cingulate cortex, and precuneus, have been found in meditation practitioners. There is reduced activation and reduced functional connectivity in the default mode network in long-term practitioners. Wow. Various forms of non-directive meditation, including transcendental meditation and ASM meditation, have been found to activate the default mode network. Wow, interesting. Sleeping and resting wakefulness. Resting wakefulness. Oh, wow. This is very interesting. Sleep deprivation. Functional connectivity between nodes in the default mode network in the resting state is usually strong, but sleep deprivation results in a decrease in connectivity within the default mode network. Wow. Decreasing connectivity between the default mode network and the task positive network as a result of sleep loss. Interesting. Drugs, obviously, they mess things up. Deep brain stimulation. Alterations in brain activity with deep brain stimulation may be used to balance resting state networks. Very interesting, guys. Psychotherapy, attention training technique, antidepressants, and exercise. So aerobic training may alter the default mode network. Sports experts are showing network differences, but in what way? Like by I still don't get if you should be having it overactive or underactive. Like you should keep it as low. I mean, Here it says that sleep loss decrease connectivity, so I guess you want high connectivity. But no, but you want but meditation reduces activity. I don't know, very interesting. Leave comments please. I would love to discuss this. I wish I had somebody live right now in the chat to discuss, but very, very interesting. Next, in appeal for an objective, open, transparent debate, the origin of COVID-19. Show Hacker News, Bitcoin price change, Infinite Series. Number 4, transmitting broadband across the Congo River using beams of light. That's super cool. That's super cool. Mass Mutual fined for millions for failing to monitor GameStop booster Kevin Gill. Ex-employer of GameStop trader Roaring Kitty fined for lack of oversight. Oh man, I remember this. The subreddit of the traders, millennial traders. I don't know if they're millennial, but the internet traders. Number 7, foreign keys, an introduction. What's foreign keys? In SQL. Why hello foreign keys defined in the database schema, even though so MySQL, yeah, it's a database that is used in web applications. And it has a query language. Let me see. Foreign keys, I guess, are, yeah. A foreign key is another kind of constraint. Because it depends on some other table. Got you. In our skills and employees, the skills to employee table will have a foreign key constraint linking back to the employee table and the skills table. Yep. And skill table. Cool. Let's go on. This is very niche technical topic. It's like specifically about databases and SQL. Number 8, curious case of fake NASA geniuses. Ay. Let's see who should we expose for being a fake NASA genius. Oops. 1 second. Rocket science. 14-year-old Diksha Shinde does not answer the phone until almost the last ring. A few weeks ago, a national news agency put out a report stating that Shinide, who lives in Aurangabad, had been selected for a prestigious fellowship offered by the National Aeronautics Space Administration. Wow. There has been a lot of confusion. Oh, but the claim was in tatters as expert and social media users pointed out discrepancies. Oh no, it was a fake news. Cynicism, of course. The NASA genius scam in India. What? Almost always central or NASA's recognition of his and her talent on the reaches they have been from. Oh wow, that's actually sad. So they fake, it's a scam. So basically they create a fake scholarship just so people, because I know of a guy in Italy that was a DJ, and one time he got somebody contacting him on Skype, and he said, hey, I heard your music on the internet, you're so good, why, you should, I can get you to play in Las Vegas at this venue, I can get you a plane ticket, etc. And then he was like, and at the end of the day, the thing is that, that he needed to send him some money for something, And then that's it. Once you send the money, the scammer disappears. The account is deleted, and that's it. You just lost money and time. So I guess that was something like this. The NASA genius. So they tell somebody, hey, you're going to a NASA scholarship. You know, just pay the application fee, and then we'll take you. Wow, that would be evil. No, actually no. This is people making claims. Traditional route to success is engineering college. Wow, that's a long article. Bit of soul searching for the media. We're likely to hear more and more of such geniuses who eventually fade into obscurity. Yeah, I mean, there's all this prodigy story. Okay, so they're doing it here just to there's no scam. It doesn't. It's not like the story I told. This thing is like, I guess people from the informationist came through, just self promoting themselves, just being Gödel's disjunction. Must be some math thing. HGRPC update delivers 1200% performance improvement. What is that? Hacker recumbent bike from the 80s. Researchers crack machine learning facial recognition with simple makeup. Oh wow. Oh, so that should make law enforcement rethink their tactics, because if they're gonna use facial recognition, and then somebody criminal can just put like some weird makeup and just trick the algorithm, that's something to be tested for. Push Docker image from specific subdirectory. Docker is a program that allows you to create computers inside your computers, and in a standard way, so no matter where you run that Docker container, it will always create that same computer inside your computer that does whatever you tell him to do. 20 kilovolt diode teardown. More than 70% devices in India use IPv6. It's weird, IPv6. I loved IPv4 because they were more memorizable. IPv6 are super cryptic, but I guess it's necessary. Linux lib input has high resolution wheel scrolling. OCW MIT. Intro to algorithms. Oh, okay, so that's a free class. OCW is open courseware, guys. Katai. What's Katai? Is an alternative European historical name for China. During the early modern period, Europeans thought of Katai as completely separate and distinct culture from China. Wow. Okay. And then Katai became a poetic name for China. It originates from the word Khitan, a nomadic people who ruled the Liao dynasty in northern China. Wow, that's so cool. There's a lot of history and a lot of cool ancient culture and history in China. It's definitely worth spending some time to explore the stories, and because it's a very unique setting. 19. Moderator, ephemeral distributed forum. What the hell? Moderator, ephemeral distributed forum. Hold on 1 second. Am I on a freaking onion link? What the hell is Start Web? What the hell is Start Web? What is that? Hidden service gateway. This gateway to the hot target, great. So who posted this? What is this? Who submitted this link? Bad. There's a typo too. Predict of learning to code is language aptitude, not math cognitive ability. Oh, language aptitude. No way. Adding two binary numbers of any size. People content moderation. A participatory public space revolution transforming a Russian city. Online REST and SOAP API testing tool. Ask Hacker News. Are McFlurries suddenly back now the lawsuit is pending? The story of the... Well, but this story of the broken ice cream machine is just incredible marketing because it makes people talk about it. It makes people make memes about it, and memes are just viral fuel for marketing. Wow. Ask Hacker News. What's a tool that has made your life 10 times easier? Apparatus. Let's see, what few tools. For me, it was the web browser on which I could install a tiny wiki with a Lisp-like language, which I use 99% of the time. Why? Somewhat standard ones. Copy paste. This guy has the best answer. What's a tool that has made your life easier? Copy paste, tab and control. That's funny. Search engines. Yeah, these guys are giving clever answers, not just sponsoring some productivity tool. That's funny. Apparatus, hybrid graphics editor and environment for interactive diagrams. Let's see. Apparatus, okay, launch the editor. Oh wow, this is cool. So let's say that, okay, I want to make the architecture of application. How do I add text? Right here. Oh no, that's ugly. Can I cut? Okay, good. Oh no. Oh, and then from, oh no, how do I like do it with shift control? Because now, okay, but I can't really make it perfect all the time. Scale. Yeah, but still, that's the same problem there. Bah. I don't know. Text should be resized on the... should be resized rapidly, not like this. This is not... This doesn't help making consistent design because, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, I mean, I guess I can copy paste it. No, I cannot copy paste it. Copy, paste. Aye. Duplicate, save, new, load. There's no duplicate. I cannot duplicate it. There's a couple of features missing. Just two, but they're pretty big. How do I change the text? Alright, guys, you get the idea. I don't know if I want to put this link on. I don't know. Number 28, Tower of Silence. So going back to this, not just, I'm not being just mean, it's just that I see only a few options for this. Only a few options. What is even, why I can click on those, I cannot click on these. And then, you know, a few copy and paste things, resizing is not there. Honestly, I don't like it. I love the idea, it's very smooth, it looks like they're using WebAssembly, but could be more appealing, maybe, like you know, like Canva.com, like that is, I mean, that's absolutely the best of the examples, but you know what I mean, if you can like get close to an experience like that, people are gonna use it. I would have made like a cool diagram if it was more like easy to use. All right, back to here. Tower of Silence, a DACMA also known as the Tower of Silence, is a circular ray structure built by the Zoroastrians for excarnation. Oh wow, wait. Exposure of Earth to the elements. Oh wow. In order to avert contamination of the soil with oh wow. Wow, that's crazy, guys. That's dark. Wow. Oh, what do you mean, Iran? What? That's crazy. Ay. I don't know if I should put it in the in the description on YouTube. Zoonpedia, official photographic journey of the history of the Zoom devices. Let's see. Zoonepedia, what is that? Zune digital coffee table book. I don't know what Zune is. Oh, Zune services. Is it like an open source something? Ah, okay. It was just digital media products and services. Oh, really? MP3 players. Oh my god, those were the shit. Okay, wait. Zune. Okay, cool. Those were so cool. MP3 players. Plug the headphones and go. Music. We always had access to music. That was good. Predictor. Okay, no wait. What am I skipping? Inspiration4 mission splashes down safely in Atlantic Ocean. Wow. Oh, Inspiration4 mission. Okay, it's a SpaceX thing. Wow, there was 4 members carried back to Earth. Wow. Orbited the Earth at an altitude as high of 590 kilometers. Welcome back to planet Earth. That's crazy. Very cool. Very cool. Look at these guys. This is straight from a movie. Alright. That's super cool. Alright, I think that's the best way to end the stream. It's weekend, so I'm just gonna cut it a little bit shorter. So I can chill out a little bit. And that's it. We'll be back tomorrow or in a few days with more news. I'm gonna put up the link in the description. Thank you for watching. It's super fun for me just to open up the page and see what's new and what's trendy, what's going on. It's really fun for me. I never know what's going to show up, and that's why it's like it's basically a slot machine of learning. So thank you for watching. Lovely, appreciate it. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.